I'm going to be working on some camper cushion covers today. Boy, say that 5 times fast. That's an interesting one. And it's going to be super, super simple pillowcase-like thing. Happen to have one over here that I've done already. I don't know what all you can see, but I've just sewn a simple seam down this edge and kind of tucked those in, but tucked the corners in, and then sewn this edge. And I'm actually probably going to do like a folded, almost like a present with some Velcro right there, just to kind of keep it in place. And that way I can take them off and wash them if I want to. I'm also going to spray them with this, I've got some Scotchgard stuff that is also a waterproofer. So I have no idea how that'll work. I'm just going to find out. And what I paid for the fabric, it's pretty much disposable anyway, so we'll just use them as long as we can and recover it. This is some Waverly fabric that I got like 90% off. So I got over 6 yards for about $11, which, like I said, is pretty much disposable at that point. So I'm just folding this over. I folded this part over, got a little seam allowance, and I'm following the these lines that I can see on here as far as where to cut. So that works out well. I heard somebody say once, always sew with stripes, that way you'll know where to cut. I don't like stripes, but, and I took what I could get as far as this fabric goes. And it matches. It's more white than I would have appreciated, but it was the right price, that's for sure. And now I'm going to come down here and finish this out. Make sure I'm on the right mark here and I don't cut my pillow. Alright, I'll go sew that up. Alright, here I am at the sewing machine and I'm gonna try to line this stuff up. Obviously I did not do that good of a job cutting it. That's okay, as long as I can still sew straight. And I have to remember to make a deep enough seam on this end to cover up the letters. Which I failed to do on the first one, but that's okay. We'll put that corner in towards the window. Nobody will know, except those who discover it. Alright. So, let's sew this baby up. Oops. This is not a great setup, but it's the setup I have right now. Little corner. I'm doing about a 5/8 inch seam on this side. Oops. Alright, that part is done and I'm gonna go get the cushion, and it's quite the ordeal trying to get that thing on there, but we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I've got my cushion. I'm turning this right side out because I've tried a few different things here and I've pretty much decided there is no good way to feed these things onto these cushions. All kind of crazy stuff comes to mind, but anyway, it is not as easy as slipping a pillowcase on, that's for sure. I can't even find the corner right now. There we go. Alright, I'll start feeding that on there. Maybe. there really is no good way to do this. There's my corner. I can see the corner. Kind of like giving birth in a way. Whew. My hand's stuck. There we go. I started out with one inside out and, you know, kind of tried to feed it on that way, and it sort of kind of worked, which is basically what I'm doing right now. But it really just isn't a great way to do this, other than fight with it and get it on there. And then it does all sorts of weird contortions to the little cushion. Alright, let me see if I can find the end. Oh my goodness. I'm standing on a mattress too. I don't know if that's helping or hurting. Whew, but it sure will be good once it's on. Oops. Take out stuff on the floor. This is sort of the grandkids' playroom. Alright, I'm gonna have to back up a little bit down here. Feed it on. One more reason why, once they're on there, they're done. They're not coming off just to get washed, that's for sure. At this point, they're disposable. Because it's not been hard at all to sew them, to measure and sew and all that kind of stuff. This part is a little difficult. Okay, now I'm getting closer. Whew. There we go. Okay, so like I said, all I'm gonna do is kind of fold this over, add some Velcro, and it'll be done. Okay, I have my last cushion back covered. This one's probably the loosest one of any of them. Don't know exactly how that happened, but anyway, it'll be all right. So here's the bottom cushion of the seat, like the seat part, and this is the seat back. But there we go. That part is done. Now I just have to cover, let's see, the cushions in the bunk bed, and then make some curtains and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm really glad that this little project is almost done. Gotta get some Velcro, but then I'll be done.